Understanding rational numbers. In this educational video, we will explore the concept of rational numbers. Welcome to our educational video series. In today's episode, we will be diving into the world of numbers and exploring the concept of rational numbers. Have you ever wondered what rational numbers are and how they are different from other numbers? Join us as we unravel the mysteries of rational numbers and discover their significance in mathematics. Let's get started. Rational numbers are an essential part of mathematics, but what exactly are they? A rational number is a number that can be expressed as the quotient or ratio of two integers, where the denominator is not equal to 0. This means that a rational number is in the form of PQ, where P and Q are integers. Examples of rational numbers include 2/3, -1/4, 6/9, and 12/3. These numbers can be written as fractions, with the numerator being the top part of the fraction and the denominator being the bottom part. The numerator and denominator can be positive or negative integers. Congratulations! You have successfully learned about rational numbers. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of mathematics. See you next time.